Hey y'all, so let me show you how to use the new booking system. So once you get to the website itself, or if you're on the app, this is what you'll see. These are all of the categories. If you read the description, it tells you everything that's within that category. Now, within that category is a drop down. You see that arrow on the right. Now here, under Blow Me Naturals, these are all of the blowout services. Once you drop it down, you can select which service you would like. Most new clients, all new clients actually need to book the service selected. You can continue to go down to the categories again, and there's a category called add-ons. That's where you could select any additional add-on service. And you can select as many of these as you want. As you can see, I'm gonna select 3 here. Once you selected it, you hit the word next. It will take you to the next screen. This is the availability screen, but before you select your appointment, you always want to look at your booking details. Make sure that this is everything that you want. If you selected something in error, you can hit that pencil. It will take you back to the previous screen, and that's when you can deselect any items that you did not want or any item that you selected in error. Now, once you have all of your services selected, now we can go to the actual booking screen. Now, if you just want the next available appointment, you can hit the button up top that says next available, and it will show you the next available appointment that's there. If you don't see the appointment that you want, you can always select the date that you desire, which I put the 14th here, and you can add yourself to the waiting list. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and put your email address in. It will find your account. If you do not have an account, you can create an account. If for whatever reason you're on the wait list and that appointment does come available, you will be automatically notified by the system. Here you can select any appointment or date that they have available. It will let you know if that date is not available. If the date is available, you will see the available times, okay? So see here, all of these appointments are available based upon those times. Now, if you go one day and you say, okay, there was a 10 o'clock available and 11 o'clock, if someone books at 10 o'clock, obviously the 11 o'clock won't be available because that will be within their service time as well. From here, you could put in your email address, and this is how you create an account. So as you can see here, once you put in your phone number, you can't just hit the create button. It's going to tell you that you're missing some required fields. So you have to hit the more button, and it will then tell you to put in your city and your date of birth. Those are important for us because we like to make sure that people are putting in the right city and also the date of birth, because we do send out birthday little treats. So we like to know your birth date. Make sure you put the year in correctly as well. You want to create the account. From there, it's going to show you all of our policies. You can read over those. They're very simple, pretty standard. And then you want to click the I accept the booking terms. Now, if there is a promo that I'm running, this is where you'll put that code in. You will then pay your deposit. Your deposit is $25 for most services. For higher end services, it does cost a little more. Once again, look through your booking details, and it lets you know why the deposit is required. And it also lets you know that once you pay the deposit, your appointment is considered secured and booked. Here's our contact information, and you'll receive a confirmation email. I hope this helps.